check. My freestyle free like it's on parole. Check the way that I do it at night. I glow like radioactive, but I'm not active on the radio. Just chilling in my house, but people just try to play me slow. I'm moving fast with minds. I put the words together like stitching the fabric. You know that I'm rougher than leather at times, but far from gritty. My style is far from nitty or needy. Just heed me a bit. I love to spit these flows and express myself, but at times I just forget myself, cause empathy, ooh, it breaks down to the heart. But yet I found my purpose, I'm just playing my part. Yes, words are easy at times. I spit facts and the truth. Up in the booth, I get loose, long and strong like saber-tooth tooth. Oh yeah, let's go. Can't stop right now, it's retro with that 90s type flow. Yes, Mr. Drew, can't stop. Oh, I coming back for you. It's not for the money, the revenue. Now I'm trying to motivate to make a bet to you.